It's good to see you again. Okay, let's talk about the tabs, Line Up and Discover. Line Up is where profiles are arranged in a vertical feed. Discover is where you see profiles one at a time, just like in the majority of other dating apps. The Line Up is where we give priority to attraction over distance and any other factor. When I say attraction, I mean your attraction and or attraction towards you. You can sort Line Up by distance, another criteria, but you cannot limit it to a radius. I will explain why in the next video. Discover tab is still a great place to meet people, but in the attraction versus distance trade-off, we'll lean more towards the distance. And of course, we try to find a great match in your area. And by the way, you can help. Just share with your friends and followers that you came across this app Iris that's worth checking out, and usually within 1 to 2 weeks you will notice a substantial increase in the number of local people you can date. Happy dating, and I'll see you tomorrow.